Hello, Mr. Arthur. Bella and Chloe are ready.
Hello, teacher. How are my girls today?
They were excellent students, very smart and very polite. Today we painted pictures in class.
Look, Daddy. I painted a big yellow sun. And I painted a green tree.
And I painted a blue bird. Painting is so much fun.
They are beautiful pictures. Thank you, teacher. My girls are very special. I am so proud of them.
You should be proud. Have a great afternoon.
Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for the fun class.
Put your backpacks on the table, girls. We are finally home.
Daddy, look at this white paper. I have a big surprise.
Me too. Look at my math test.
Let me see. Yes, you got an A. A perfect grade.
100%. No mistakes at all.
An A? Both of you? This is fantastic. I'm very happy.
It was a very difficult test. There were questions about addition and subtraction.
Subtraction is hard. It means taking numbers away. But we practiced a lot.
Practice makes perfect. Studying is very important. Education builds your future.
So, can we play now? We want to play outside.
Yes. Can we play with our dolls in the garden?
Wait a minute. Did you do your homework?
Not yet, Daddy. We just got home from school.
Homework comes first. Do your homework first. Then you can play.
Okay, Daddy. We will do our math homework right now.
I need my pencil case. Where is my pink eraser?
Here it is. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 minus 2 is 3. We will finish all the math problems very fast.
Wake up, girls. It is a beautiful Saturday morning.
Good morning, Daddy. Why are you so happy today? The sun is shining.
Are we going to the park?
No, not the park. Put on your nice coats. It is a bit chilly outside. Chilly means a little cold.
Okay. I'm wearing my warm red coat and a scarf.
And I'm wearing my purple jacket and my winter hat.
Where are we going? Is it a surprise?
Yes, yesterday you got perfect grades. And you did your homework.
We did.
We finished all our schoolwork.
Because you're great students, you get a reward today.
A reward? What does reward mean?
A reward is a special prize. A prize for doing good work.
Oh, wow.
A special prize. What is it?
We are going to the Mega Toy Store in the city center.
The Mega Toy Store? The biggest store in the city?
Yes. You can choose any toy you want today.
This is the best day ever. I want the designer fashion dolls.
And I want the big Princess Sparkle Palace. Let's go.
Let's go. It is a short walk to the city center. The weather is perfect for a walk.
Look at that little dog, Daddy. It is brown and very fluffy.
And look at the sky. There are big white clouds today.
The city is so big. Look at the big red buses. They have 2 floors.
And the yellow taxis?
They are moving so fast.
Beep, beep.
Yes, the city is full of colors today. The city center is always busy. Many people are shopping.
I see the toy store. Look at the giant windows.
I am so excited.
I want to see the dolls with the tiny matching shoes.
Stay close to me. The store is just down this street.
Wait, Chloe. Stop walking. Look next to the bakery.
It is a family, a mother, a father, and a little boy.
I see them. Keep walking, girls. The toy store is open.
But Daddy, look at the little boy. He looks very sad.
He is looking at the chocolate cakes through the bakery window.
He wants a cake, but he cannot buy it. He must be hungry.
They are a poor family, girls. They don't have money like we do.
No money? So they cannot buy the bread?
Probably not. Now, let's go get your new toys.
Daddy, stop.
I don't want to go to the toy store.
What? You don't want the fashion dolls?
I don't want the Princess Palace either.
Are you sure? You talked about these toys all morning?
We are sure.
We are just thinking about that little boy.
I want to make him happy, Daddy. Let's buy them food.
We want to exchange our toys for food.
Exchange? What does exchange mean, Daddy?
Exchange means to trade one thing for another. You want to trade your toys to help them?
Yes, we want to be generous. Helping makes us happy.
You want to use your reward money for a poor family. I am the proudest father in the whole world.
So, can we buy them lunch?
Yes, we can. Let's talk to the family first. Come on.
Hello. My name is Chloe. This is my sister, Bella.
Hello, little girls. Can I help you?
I am very hungry. Do you have a piece of bread?
We don't have a piece of bread, but we have something better. We are going inside the bakery.
And we want you to come with us. We will buy you a big lunch.
Inside the bakery? But we don't have any money. You don't need money today? My daughters are treating you.
Treating us? What does treating mean?
Treating means they are paying for you. It is a gift. Come inside.
Yes. It is warm inside the bakery. Let's go.
Wow, it smells so good in here. Look at all the fresh food.
Look at the big sandwiches and the hot soup.
Hello, excuse me. We want 3 big sandwiches, please. With cheese and tomatoes.
And 3 bowls of hot chicken soup.
Can I have a slice of chocolate cake too?
Yes.
Let's get 2 slices of chocolate cake.
And a slice of carrot cake. Carrots are good for your eyes.
And fresh bread.
And some hot chocolate to drink.
And let's get 3 bottles of water. Drinking water is very healthy.
I am so happy. You're angels. Thank you.
This soup is delicious. It is very hot and tasty. It warms my stomach.
And this chocolate cake is sweet and yummy. I love it.
My daughters exchanged their toys for this.
This is much better than a Princess Palace, Daddy. We are so glad we helped.
Kindness is the best reward.
Tell us in the comments if you like to help people.
Hit the like button and subscribe for more English stories.
See you next time.